reboot. I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins.
Hey everybody, it's Carly from Plant You, the channel where we simplify plant-based eating. I am so excited for today's video because we are veganizing baked feta pasta. If you've been on Instagram or TikTok lately, you've surely seen this baked feta pasta just about everywhere. It first went viral in Finland, which is where it originated, and it actually sold out feta cheese across the country. Well, wherever you are, you don't have to worry about sold out feta cheese because we are making this entirely vegan, right down to a homemade, really simple feta cheese recipe using whole foods like extra firm tofu, nutritional yeast, and cashews. No worries if you're nut-free, soy-free, or gluten-free. I'm going to provide subs throughout the video. And the really nice thing is, not only is this recipe entirely vegan, it's also really healthy for you as well. Protein packed and equally as delicious as the original. I'm so excited to make this vegan baked feta pasta, but before we get started, I just ask that you press that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my future veganized creations. Without further ado, let's make baked feta pasta vegan style.
To start, we're going to crumble up a block of extra firm tofu. You're going to put that in a blender or a food processor. Either will work for this recipe. Then you want to add some nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor, about a 1/4 cup of raw cashews. These are optional if you're nut-free. Then some sea salt, garlic powder, of course, and some apple cider vinegar for that feta tanginess. Take that away and blend it up. Then add about 2 cups of cherry tomatoes to a casserole dish with some salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. The oil is optional again if you are oil-free, but it does add a richness to this dish. Now you're going to take that feta mixture that's blended and put that in the middle of the dish and top it off with some freshly cracked black pepper. Now you're ready to pop that in the oven for around 40 minutes. Use the middle rack, and here we are. The 40 minutes have passed real quick there. Give that a mix, and oh my goodness, it is such a beautiful dish. The sauce should be very melty and creamy. And now you're going to pour in your 2 cups of prepared pasta. I used a whole wheat penne. Just about any pasta will work for this recipe, so choose your favorite. And here's a shot of the finished dish. Find the full step-by-step recipe linked below. And if you like this video, remember to subscribe and leave a comment for any veganized requests.